Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. May I wish all of you.
I am not going to be a candidate for the Prime Ministership if the UPA were to come back into power. Rahul Gandhi has outstanding credentials to be nominated as the presidential candidate, and I hope our party will take that decision at an appropriate time.
आपका धन्यवाद कि मुझे इस सवाल पूछने का मौका मिला। मैं आपको जी मीडिया के एक नेशनल चैनल
I have full confidence that the next Prime Minister will be from the UPA coalition, and that without discussing the merits of Mr. Narendra Modi, I sincerely believe that it would be disastrous for the country to have Narendra Modi as the Prime Minister.
The next question goes to the representative from the Indian Express, Mr. Manish Chibber, if he's here, please.
At one time, it appeared that important breakthrough was in sight. Events in Pakistan, for example, the fact that General Musharraf had to make way for a different setup, I think that led to the process not moving further.
After the assembly elections, the Congress, in which Congress faced drubbing,
Sir, the BJP and Mr. Modi's, charge against you is that you have been a weak Prime Minister.
I do not believe that I have been a weak Prime Minister. That is for the historians to judge. And the BJP and its associates may say whatever they like. But if by strong Prime Minister you mean that you preside over the mass massacre of innocent citizens in the streets of Ahmedabad, that is the measure of strength. I do not believe that sort of strength this country needs, least of all in its.
रत्नागिरी 24 न्यूज चॅनलला आताच सबस्क्राईब करा आणि शेअर करायला विसरू नका.